Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Dart battery. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Don't forget to put on safety gloves and eye protection before you begin. These precautions are crucial for a smooth and safe battery removal process. Now let's disconnect the battery terminals. Always start with the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Use your 10 mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. This prevents accidental short circuits. Once the negative is off, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal in the same manner. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. Locate the hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in its tray. Use your wrench to loosen or remove this mechanism. Once it's free, carefully lift the old battery out. Remember, car batteries are heavy, often weighing between 30 and 40 pounds, so lift with your legs. To install the new battery, carefully place it into the tray and reattach the hold-down clamp to secure it firmly. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight. For more great deals and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.